Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Okay, Tuesday morning, counter trend Tuesday, shall we say, and the indices are bid across the board. I mean, you want to talk about markets? The SPOOs have a 70 handle range overnight. You know, come on. I mean, I caught a 70 handle move in the SPOOs over an 8-day period back there in June, July when we caught the bottom and caught that nice rally. And now we have 70 handles overnight. And you may ask yourself, well, I can't believe that Tony LaPorta is not trading. I mean, look at these great moves. You know, that's why I'm not trading. You know, I write and write and write. And during a 32 to 33 year career, I've never, ever, ever had a problem making money. My always problem has been keeping it, and I'm keeping it this. I'm keeping it this time. You know, I refused to trade in August, and I took off a little bit of time before August due to all the bogus, political crap out of Washington with the old debt ceiling issues, and I continue to sit here on the sidelines. I received an email from my dear mate who used to reside in Gibraltar. He's now in Switzerland, and he commended me on my market calls. But he also said he admires my discipline. He does realize when you have markets moving like this how hard it is to just sit on your hands and do nothing. And unless these indices this morning break hard, I will sit on my hands and recommend nothing, shall we say. I'm not trading today, but I wrote to my readers last night. I want to buy the market today. It's Counter Trend Tuesday, but I want to buy them at my levels. And there's still more gaps below, and there will, because of how thin the market was on the way up since '09. There are gaps almost all the way down, back down to the '09 lows. And I still, as I sit here today, I do believe we will fill those gaps this year and or next, because I do believe we're going back down to test those lows. So all that aside, today I want to buy the indices, but I refuse to pay up. I don't know if I'll ever trade lower on the day, but if I was a gambling man, I would sell into the opening here. Being down 620 some points yesterday, you would think that there would be more margin selling this morning, similar to what we saw last Friday with unemployment after the big drop on Thursday. So don't get too friendly, with a stock market that's going to open up 150 higher. I would rather, sit back, watch. If I was trading, I would look to sell into the opening somehow, let the buy, smoke, clear, and sell it. So all that aside, bond market's off a little bit. It was up dramatically. I still think the bond market goes higher because I believe Wall Street's going lower. So if getting back to this I was thinking about this all morning, and I meant to bring it into my commentary. Okay. Some of the reasons why I do not want to buy the indices, especially a higher opening. The Swiss franc is almost 300 higher. The yen is 70 higher. Gold is $35 higher, and there was a time when it was like $60 to $70 higher. All these indicators in the past have told me that Wall Street comes off. So now Wall Street's higher as well. Something's lying. Someone's lying to us, and obviously the trend is your friend, and Wall Street's bucking the trend at the moment. So you can do with that information as you please. This is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. You have a great day. Cheers.